Hello and welcome. My name is Francois from Beazer Homes. Please join me. I'm going to show you and introduce you to our eSmart and Energy Star innovations that we have done in our homes that will help you save money and be more efficient in your day-to-day lives. Come on, follow me. Well, hello, and here we are in our Discovery Center. We're going to start by talking to you about water-saving features that we have in our homes. The first thing that we have over here is the manifold plumbing system. The manifold plumbing system helps you save and distribute water 4 times as fast to each individual faucet. What does that do? That means that you don't have to wait as long for the hot water to get from the garage or to the location all the way to the master bedroom. Also, you can turn off each individual faucet if there's a leak or a problem with the house where you don't have to shut off the main water to the house. Very advantageous. Then we'll go over here and we have a gas tankless water heater that sits on the outside of the house and is vented directly to the outside. What does a gas water heater do? It eliminates the use of having to use a 40, 50, or 60 gallon tank on the inside and having to heat all that volume of the water on a continuous basis. This is on demand. It will supply all the water you need for all the time that you need for all the showers and washing and laundry that you have to do. Over here you have a solar thermal water heater by FAFCO. This is an alternative to the tankless water heater in a gas community. In an all-electric community, this very simple system, over here you can see a recirculation module that attaches to your water heater, and this is connected up to solar thermal panels up on your roof. Just by using the heat collectors, you can heat your water. As you can see right now, coming back to this recirculation pump, I have a thermostat on the roof and it's showing 136 degrees. Today it's probably about 85 degrees outside. Also, water saving features. We have a dual flush toilet. So it can save you up to 20% of water usage by using either 0.6 gallons or 1.6 gallons of water use. Or you can go to a bath faucet or a shower head. Saves you up to 30% of water by reducing the amount of water used. Over here we brought the outside to the inside. We're showing you here what the typical Arizona construction is with a one-coat stucco system. One-coat stucco system, you have the stucco, you have a 1-inch foam, and underneath all that is the building envelope. The building envelope is one of the major items that's going to help you save energy in the house. Why? Because it repels the water, it doesn't let the air come in. Why? Because all the perimeter of the house, as you can see, is taped. Every electrical outlet, every plumbing outlet, everything is taped so that you don't have any air filtration coming in or coming out. Also, this product is a very sturdy product versus the old building product. This is also a DuPont product, which is a roof liner that we use on the roof that is a complement to the Tyvek product for the home wrap. This product is very tough. You have warranties. I'm hard pressed to rip this. Our competitors, builders up until recently, have been using this type of product, which is either a 15-pound felt for the house or a 30 or 40-pound felt that they put on the roof. This starts deteriorating the minute you put it on, but look how brittle this is. Look how easy this is to tear. This is what you have on your home. This is the only protection you have from the water and the air from coming into the home. Spray foam insulation. This is part of our green package. This spray foam is a Beazer product, and it's a half-pound open cell spray foam polyethylene product. What does it do? Versus a fiberglass insulation, the spray foam fiberglass insulation addresses one item, and that is your radiation through the wall. The spray foam handles 6 of those. It handles the convection, it handles the conduction and the radiation, but also it takes care of the air infiltration through the house, the air intrusion from going in there, and moisture accumulation. So the spray foam really helps enhance the building envelope to reduce the amount of air leakage or air infiltration into your home, making it much more effective. As you can see through this demonstration over here with my heat box, we have a little fan with a little heater down here, and air is being pushed through this fiberglass bat. So as you can see, the air is easily penetrating through here, which is making my ping pong ball flow. Also, if you look at my thermostat, it's reading 130 degrees, so the heat really heats up in here, versus on this side, right next to it, with a spray foam, half-pound open cell spray foam, and I don't have any transfer of the heat or the air coming through there. As we continue, you can see that what we do is that we do cathedralized insulation. In other words, we seal the whole attic space to make it conditioned space. What does that do for us? That tells me that the attic space is conditioned space. In other words, the difference in degrees and temperatures is no less than 5 or 6 degrees between the existing house and the attic space. That means that I'm able to effectively reduce my air conditioning units by a ton. Over here in the Southwest, that means that instead of using a 5-ton unit, I can reduce it to a 4-ton unit. That means I reduce the size of equipment, which in turn helps us reduce and lower costs down to you, to the homeowner. Also, to complete the sealing of your envelope, as you can see, caulking the bottom plate is something that is very important. It seals the plate to the floor so that whatever little infiltration is coming in through your envelope is also caught here. Well, what do we have here? Look at the size of this hole. Imagine having a size of this hole in the side of your house 24/7. Don't throw your money out the window. Having a hole like this means you don't have a good building envelope on your house. That means you did not seal all the penetrations, all the plumbing, all the gaps, all the doors, all the windows. All those weren't sealed. So by doing that, you're throwing money out the window because you have air infiltration that's coming and going out of your house, which is costing you money. So with a good envelope, you save money. Also part of our energy features, eSmart, we have vinyl windows with low E. What that does is that reduces your energy loss of up to 50%. The vinyl does not let the heat transfer into the house, and the low E window reduces the radiation coming into the house. And as you can see, we seal every part of the window. All right, what do we have here? Solar photovoltaic integrated system. As you can see, it's integrated into the roof. Integrated in the roof replaces the roof tile instead of sitting on top of the roof tile. Nice and sturdy. You can walk on this. It generates power. If you have to go do your Christmas lights, it's okay if you walk on it. But as this is generating power, it's generating power in a DC. So it generates DC power, goes into an inverter that changes it to AC power, goes into a meter, and then makes your meter spin backwards. As the meter's spinning backwards, that's building up credits for the utility company. So during the day, you're generating power over here, and you're building up credits. You come home at night, you're using up those credits. As you can see on this monitor over here, this is real-time data. This is today, May 12th, 2011. It shows you right here the time. Look at the power that it's generated. It's been generating this power all day. You can go look at that and see how much power that you're generating at any given time. This is a web-based program, lets you monitor the houses. Why an energy monitor? Because if you can't measure what you're saving, it's hard to really find out if you're saving any money at all. So in this case, as an example, this tells you exactly how much kilowatt hours you're using in this house. I'm going to show you right now by turning off these lights, the energy that you're going to be saving just by turning off some lights. As you can see, this is telling you that you've actually reduced your power consumption and saved money at the same time.